Alright, today we're looking at a certified pre-owned 2015 Honda CRV EXL, 46,000 miles on it. Alright, it's white diamond pearl in color. It's a clean Carfax, one owner. It's a local trade. Let's go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. It's got the nice chrome trim around the windows. Got your lock unlock button here on the door handles. It is equipped with the roof rack and sunroof. Okay, driver's side of the CRV looks good. It does have rear backup camera. It is an all-wheel drive. Make our way down the passenger side. Got the lock unlock button here. It's got your blind spot monitoring camera there, and we'll show you that in a second. But once again, it's certified 2015, 46,000 miles, clean Carfax, one owner, local trade. This thing's in fantastic condition. Take a look on the inside. The black door panels got the nice beige trim here. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have beige leather seating. Got the perforated inserts. It is a power driver's seat. Got the center armrest here. Their HDMI cables, or HDMI hookup, USB hookup, and power outlet. Passenger seat leather looks good. Everything's in really good shape in here. It does come with the keyless entry key fob. Okay, got your heated seats there with another power outlet. Automatic, dual climate controls, push button start. It's going to have your touch screen right there. Backup cameras. Okay, blind spot monitoring camera. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls here. Got your Bluetooth back here. Econ button here, and then your blind spot monitoring camera button right there. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Right, it's got 46,824 miles. Now that we've got it started, we'll go ahead and show you your radio displays. Okay, got one of them right here. It's going to have your XM radio display right there. Then the lower one's going to have all your apps. Okay, let's go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright, let me dim that down for you just a little bit. And it's got the guidelines on there as well. Okay, you can change the view of it right here. Alright, let's go ahead and activate the blind spot monitoring camera. And it's that button that's to the left of the steering wheel, and it's a visual of your blind spot. It's a nice safety feature that Honda offers. Okay, once again, your dual climate controls right here. Got your push button start over here. Your heated seats down below. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. One more thing I want to show you before we take a look back there. I'll pan out a little bit, give you another shot of the sunroof right here. Alright, backseat door panels are in good shape. Carpet back here looks good, no problems at all. Nice and clean. Got the perforated inserts back here in the back. Seat leather is in really good shape. Center armrest comes down, got your cup holders there. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Got the nice plastic protector mat back here. We'll lift this up. It's going to have your spare tire and jack under there. Okay, got the nice sunshade protector as well. But as you can see, there's a good bit of room back here in these CRVs. There's a handle here and a handle here. You simply pull the handle. Your seats are going to fall down. Okay, that's really going to see the seat belts hooking this one up here. Alright, and as you can see, it really opens up the space back here, okay? The seats are really light, but they're very durable. Just pull them up until they click into place. Just like so. I'll go ahead and shut this down. Alright, and then you're ready to move on. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. We've got 17-inch alloys. Alright, alloys are in great shape. Brand new set of tires. Alright, once again, it's a certified 2015, 46,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. It's a local trade. Man, this thing's been well taken care of inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.